So hello guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this part of the video, I'll be showing you how you can do name substitution on the new CAC portal. So there are so many reasons, couples of reasons why CAC might query your application and that will require you to do name substitution. So some of the reasons that might warrant you to get queried by CAC and request for name substitution is in a situation whereby you register a name or you reserved a name which has already or closely related to already registered name. So CAC is going to query your application and request you to do name substitution. So another reason is in a situation whereby if you register a business that should be registered as a limited, you now register it as CAC is going to query that application. Another situation is if you also register maybe a company that needed to register as under that you have to register under limited by guarantee, then you now register it under limited. So CAC is going to query it and ask you to do name substitution. So in this video, so as you can see, if you are on your dashboard, so what you want to click on is to click on this tail icon. So you are going to be going to the registration section. So if you click on the registration section, it's going to load up the pending name, the not submitted name, and the query name, the approval application. So what you want to click on is the query application. So once you click on the query application, so in this case, I'm going to be going with the company. So I'm just filter. So then once you come to it, so these are the number of queried companies. So if you check the reason for the query, so you are going to see the reason. So as you can see, so name and subject should be registered under LTD as you can see. So if you check other as well, you are going to see the reason for the query. And one thing you should notice is once the query is, you will be able to see the option that say name substitution. So what you want to do is to click on substitute name. So once you click on substitute name, so it's going to bring out the approved current approved name. Then it's going to request for the uh proposed name. So in this case, I have the proposed name, but before you should start doing this, I will advise you to have done the name search of the other name you want to substitute for, so that it won't be a waste of money again. I have done my own name search. So what I want to do is to paste the name. So this is the name here. Then I'm going to click on proceed to payment. Okay, as you can see, it's still the current money. So what I want to do is to make payment for this. So once I make payment for it, so it's going to move to, I'm going to wait for it to be approved before I proceed with my registration. So as you can see now, the name has been successfully substituted, as you can see. So once you make your payment, it's going to bring out a pop-up for you. It will say, do you want to modify your registration before you proceed, or you simply want to click on mark as resolved. So once you click on mark as resolved, so it's going to mark the query has been resolved. But if you click on modify, so you'll be able to modify. So I click on modify because I still want to change some objectives. So as you can see, so now this is the name I changed it into now. So that is how you can safely solve a query. So if you find value in this video, make sure you subscribe for more CAC updates. And if you want to learn more about CAC, you can really uh reach out to me using the link in the description box below. So thank you and see you in my next part of the video.